Ranjan Padi. I have come from BJP College. I am pursuing my master's degree in bioinformatics. It is my second workshop program. I really enjoyed the program and have learned many more things about the drug design and genome editing. And the environment is quite friendly and comfortable. Thanks.
Myself, Vaishnav Naik. I'm from BJP. This was my first workshop. It went really well. I learned many more things about drug designing, and it was also a very quite friendly environment. Hope to do this workshop more. Thanks.
Parada. I am from BJP Autonomous College, Odisha. This was my first workshop, and this experience was very good. The total environment is friendly, and it is very useful for us, the drug design and genome editing. I thought that it is very useful for in our future.
मेरा नाम लोपामुद्रा महंत है। मैं बीजेपी कॉलेज से आई हूँ, उड़ीसा से। मुझे यहाँ बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला ड्रग डिज़ाइन के बारे में। ये मेरा फ्यूचर को आगे ले जाएगा ड्रग डिज़ाइन के लिए। और यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत अच्छे से सिखाते हैं। थैंक यू।
Myself, I'm from BJP Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It was my first workshop. It is really good workshop, and I have learned much more about this drug designing and genome editing. It is really help in future.